This is the brief on fixing student identity and data errors. You know, when a student's vital information, like their location, shows up incorrectly in school rostering systems, there's a fast, strict, step-by-step troubleshooting protocol we use to restore their access quickly and securely. First, gather the initial data. You need to start by checking Rapid ID, specifically at me.forsythk12.org, using an IIQ user search just to see exactly what's sitting in the system. Second, do a local verification. Check in with an ETC, that's an educational technology coach. Have them look at the system called Infinite Campus to check the student's account status, verify if the info is showing, or honestly, see if they just need a simple password reset. Third, escalate standard issues. If the data still needs correcting or access needs granting, gather all the info you just found and escalate the ticket to SIS, Student Information Services, specifically routing it right to the Infinite Campus team. Finally, handle security flags. If you notice the student's account is completely locked or marked as risky, well, that requires a cyber review. Escalate this directly to the SysAdmin team. They're going to verify the issue and hand it right over to the cyber team. Once the cyber team updates the ticket, just verify the resolution and close the whole shebang out. Following this clear escalation path, from a quick Rapid ID check all the way to a cyber review, ensures any student data error is fixed efficiently and safely.